everybody. It's been a while since I did a video update, so I thought I'd post a video. I haven't been doing a whole lot. It's hard to believe, but it's tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's, everybody. But Terry and I are almost done living in our apartment. We've got a little over a month left, and then we are going to be moving back into the RV. And I have to tell you, as nice as this apartment is, we're both looking forward to being back in our real home, so to speak. We won't actually be on the road until the fall, but we're both looking forward to being back in the RV for sure. But we've had a good stay here. So anyway, I have been working. I took a temporary job helping people sign up for Epic's MyChart application so people on the East Coast can get their vaccines. And so it's a good time to have a job, you know, wintertime and all of that. But the winter in Wisconsin is, by most people's standards, like tonight would be considered to be bitter cold. It's around 0. But in Wisconsin, those temperatures make the winter usable. So the ice fishermen are thick on the lakes right now because the ice can support them. And I go cross-country skiing. Went the other day with my grandkids. After our wrong turn. All right, head on by. I'll get you from behind going across the bridge. I got your wipeout on camera. And they go downhill skiing and ice skating, and people snowshoe and snowmobile. I mean, wintertime, these couple of months where it's really good sustained winter, January and February and the first part of March, really are fantastic for wintertime activities. So the winter here is not as bad as people think, you know. It's much worse to live somewhere where it's cold and miserable and you can't do anything, you know, so there are some advantages here. Anyway, that doesn't mean that we're not ready to look forward to spring. I can't wait to do some train hopping. So I went up to Portage and I wanted to kind of check it out if I wanted to go east instead of my usual west this spring or early summer. I might go east to Chicago and then decide from there where to go. But anyway, we'll see. But anyway, I went to Portage and I happened upon a female trespasser, and I felt bad for her. She got trapped in the yard by a train on the main line and couldn't find her way across the yard to where her herd, the rest of her herd was. And then, to make matters worse, she was standing on the open main line while the other one was blocked, and here comes a train. And I'm thinking to myself, oh no, that light's gonna blind her and she's going to get hit. And, you know, it was just a bit disconcerting. But anyway, long story short, she managed to find her way out of there without getting hurt and without getting busted. And as luck would have it, there was plenty of activity for me to watch while I was sitting there thinking about my future plans for train hopping this summer. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well and are looking forward to a nice spring. Take care.